Hi guys, myself Dr. Sujatha, Associate Professor from Vignan University. Welcome to the today's session of Design and Analysis of Algorithms. In this session, we are going to discuss about brute force technique. The topics that we are going to discuss in this unit, in this module are the introduction to brute force technique and applications. Here we are going to see selection sort, bubble sort, sequential search, and string matching. These four applications related to brute force technique that we are going to see. In this session, we are going to discuss about the introduction to brute force technique. Coming to brute force approach, this is an approach that finds all the possible solutions to find a satisfactory solution to the given problem. Here, the brute force approach is an approach that finds all possible solutions to find a satisfactory solution to the given problem. The brute force algorithm tries out all the possibilities till a satisfactory solution is found. The brute force algorithm can be of two types. Either it may be optimizing algorithm or it may be satisfying algorithm. Optimizing algorithm. In this case, the best solution is found. To find the best solution, it may either find all the possible solutions, or if the value of the best solution is known, it stops finding when the best solution is found. So for example, finding the best path for the traveling salesperson problem. Here, best path means that traveling all the cities and the cost of traveling should be minimum. Satisfying solution. It stops finding the solution as soon as the satisfactory solution is found. For example, traveling salesperson path, which is within 10% of the optimal. Even with the 10% of optimal, if we find any solution, that is to be called as satisfactory solution. Some algorithms are designed for finding the best solution, that is the optimal solution, which are to be called as optimizing algorithms. Some algorithms can find a satisfactory solutions. Those algorithms are to be called as satisfying algorithms. And coming to brute force algorithms, these requires exponential time. Since it checks all possibilities, it requires exponential time. So various heuristic and optimizations can be used in brute force algorithms. So here, what is heuristic? Heuristic means it is a rule of thumb that helps you to decide which possibilities we should check at first. Heuristic means it is a thumb rule. This rule helps you to decide which of the possibilities we should look at first. Optimization means a certain possibility which is eliminated without exploring all of them. Without exploring the remaining possibilities, certain possibility can be eliminated since we cannot get solution from that. Okay, now we can understand the brute force approach through an example. So here you can see a tree-like structure. If I want to solve any problem, that can be converted in the form of a tree, which is shown below. The brute force search considers each and every state of a tree, and the state is represented in the form of a node. As far as if you consider the starting position, we have two choices, either A state or B state. We can either generate A state or B state in that case, based on the possibility, based on the optimization what we are getting. We can neither, if we select B state, we have again two choices, either E or F. Like that, different possibilities are there. So from starting place, we have A and B choices. If I select A, I have two choices again, C and D. If I select B, I have two choices again, E and F. Now coming, if I selected C, again I have two choices. If I selected F, again I have one more choice, K. So these represents the terminal nodes where we find some solution, right? What are the main advantages of brute force algorithm? This algorithm finds all possible solutions, and also it guarantees that it finds the correct solution to a problem. This type of algorithm is applicable to wide range of domains, and it is mainly used for solving simple and smaller problems. It can be considered as a benchmark to solve a simple problem and doesn't require any particular domain knowledge. And coming to the disadvantages of brute force algorithm, it is an inefficient algorithm as it requires solving each and every state. So we need to solve each and every state. We need to check all possibilities. That's why we can say that this algorithm is an inefficient algorithm. And it is very slow algorithm to find the correct solution as it solves each state without considering whether the solution is feasible or not. So this brute force technique doesn't check whether that particular path leads to a feasible solution or not. It goes for solving each and every state. The brute force algorithm is neither constructive nor creative as compared to other algorithms which were designed based on divide and conquer, greedy, dynamic programming, backtracking, branch and bound, etc. So I hope that you all understood what is the introduction for brute force algorithm, what is optimizing algorithm, what is satisficing algorithm, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of these algorithms. Thank you for listening.